Hey guys, you gotta try this mashed potatoes recipe. So first, let's start off by boiling our potatoes for 15 to 20 minutes and then drain the water. And once these have cooled a bit, you want to go ahead and smash the potatoes with the bottom of a glass, just like this. And then in a bowl of melted butter, you want to add garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, and olive oil. And then from there, you can go ahead and season up the potatoes with the same seasonings. And then add the melted butter mixture. And then you want to put the pan in the oven at 425 for 35 to 45 minutes. And you can enjoy it by itself or as a side dish. Enjoy!